Eating fats in our diet is equal to storing fat in our body, right? Wrong. Do you want to know more? Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Kulkarni, co-founder of Arna Gen Next Solutions. So what is wrong with this? When we consume fats, aren't they stored as fat in our body? Well, that's kind of incorrect. Let us break it down into 5 simple points as to why we should not really avoid fats if we want to avoid weight gain or if we want to avoid health issues. It's actually a bad idea to avoid fats completely. The first important thing to know is that fats are of different kinds. There are healthy fats which are actually required for the functions that I mentioned in the previous video, like cellular health, like the health of our brain or our organs. So when we actually include healthy fats, they can prevent many of the diseases that we talked about previously. So yes, there are healthy fats and they should be in our diet. Why is that? So we come to the second point here, that our metabolism or how we store fat is not just dependent on how much fat we are consuming. It is dependent on the portion of carbohydrates, the quality of carbohydrates that we are consuming. We have seen that in the previous videos when I talked about fiber and the importance of good quality carbs. So consuming healthy fats can actually help us with weight management. We need that even as a source of energy. We can actually be lean when we consume healthier fats. That is one very good reason why we need them. The third important reason is that healthy fats are required for heart health. In order to keep our heart healthy, we actually need fats. So most people think that fats cause heart disease, but it's only the bad kind of fats that can cause heart disease. And fats are not the only things that cause heart disease. They can be caused by empty calories, they can be caused by sugars, they can be caused by a lot of different factors, including a sedentary lifestyle. Have you thought about that? The fourth important thing to know about is brain health that we talked about. That our brain, our nervous system is majorly composed of fats, and these are the healthy fats which we need to include in our diet, without which our brain function, the cognitive function, our memory will not perform very well. Did you think of that, or did you forget that function while you studied it at school? So we need fats. They are essential macromolecules in our diet. And what is the fifth thing that we need to know? The fifth important thing is nutrient absorption, because a lot of nutrients that we need to get from the food that we eat are water soluble. But some of the very important ones, like the vitamins I talked about, some of the vitamins are actually fat soluble. So just think of what would happen to those vitamins when you removed fat from your diet, thinking that it was actually unhealthy. Each macromolecule has a function in our body. So we need to know how to choose it correctly, how to choose healthy fats, and we'll get to that later. And then prevent all kinds of diseases, because when we don't get enough nutrition, our organs do not perform well and we get into trouble with our immune system, with the function of our organs, and with inflammation. So this is why we need healthy fats. So what is the challenge for today? Look at the healthy sources of fats, do your research, and do try to include healthy sources like the ones I mentioned before in your diet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, do share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.